So how do you call from a private number on the iPhone? And let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If you're new here on Foxtecc, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, in order to perform the calls from like a private number, you have like two options. First of all, you can just go to the phone app, and before you actually type in the number you want to call, you can just click on the #31 and a pound, and then you continue to dial the number, and it is supposed to have the number private on your side. I mean, personally, I don't find that to be working the best, as it kind of depends on your carrier and your location and whatnot. But the better way, in my opinion, is to change it in the settings by going to the settings app, tapping apps at the bottom, and then you can locate the phone section specifically. And part of that, we have the show my caller ID. So you can tap on this, and if you have multiple SIM cards, you decide for which we are going to change the settings. But there you only have one toggle, and you can either enable it or disable it. But showing your caller ID means that your number is private. I mean, sorry, it's like when you don't show it, it's your private number. But if you keep it turned on and it's enabled, then your ID and your information, like your number, will be visible to other people. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it on your device and if you managed to make it work. I really appreciate your feedback. Thanks a lot for watching, and subscribe so you do not miss videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.